Hello everyone, this is Justin with Green Residential. Today I'm looking at a exterior door. Well, it's actually to a garage, from the house to the garage, but this is a common type of weather stripping you'll find on many exterior doors. It's a foam type of weather stripping, and it's quite simple to replace. If this was damaged, all you would need to do is pull this out and simply install the new one. So you can see the foam here, and this has a little like insert part with some like little barbs on it. It's kind of hard to see, but basically this part inserts into this groove right here in the door jamb. So to install the new one, you'd simply just press it into that groove and kind of work your way up, and that's how you do it. You can also trim it with scissors if you need to, but it's a very simple weather stripping to replace. And you can find this type of weather stripping at most home improvement box stores like Home Depot or Lowe's. Sometimes they'll sell it as a kit where you can just buy two long pieces and one short piece for here. Just a little FYI, this is for your alarm system, your door alarm system, so you don't want to pull that out. It usually stays in there pretty well, so it's not something to be too concerned about. But that is how you change out this foam type of weather stripping, and it's a simple process. We put out videos like this regularly, videos that most homeowners with repairs that most homeowners can do. We also cover a lot of just general house knowledge. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. Have a great day, and bye for now.